Importing reptiles into the UK, a comprehensive guide. The United Kingdom, with its diverse ecosystem, is home to a variety of native reptiles. However, the interest in exotic reptiles from around the world has surged in recent years. Importing reptiles into the UK, whether for commercial purposes, breeding, or as pets, requires adherence to stringent regulations to ensure the safety of both the animals and the environment. This article provides a comprehensive guide on the process, legal requirements, and best practices for importing reptiles into the UK. Understanding the legal framework. The first step in importing reptiles into the UK is understanding the legal framework that governs such activities. The UK adheres to the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, which regulates the movement of endangered animals and plants across international borders. Reptiles, especially exotic species, often fall under this category. CITES and other regulations. CITES categorizes species into different appendices based on how threatened they are by international trade. For instance, Appendix I includes species threatened with extinction, and trade in these species is only permitted in exceptional circumstances. Most reptiles fall under Appendix II or III, which include species not necessarily threatened with extinction but for which trade must be controlled. To import a reptile listed under CITES, one must obtain a CITES permit from the Animal and Plant Health Agency, APHA, in the UK. Health and welfare considerations. The welfare of the reptiles during transportation is of paramount importance. The UK follows the guidelines set by the International Air Transport Association, IATA, for the transportation of live animals, ensuring that the reptiles are transported in a safe, humane manner. This includes appropriate crating, temperature control, and minimal stress during transit. Quarantine and veterinary checks. Upon arrival in the UK, reptiles may be subject to quarantine to prevent the spread of diseases. The importer must arrange for a veterinary check to ensure that the reptiles are free from infectious diseases and parasites. The length of the quarantine period varies depending on the species and the country of origin.